Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Goda.
I'm Neela.
So today we are gonna do a very fun challenge. We are gonna do how well do we know each other.
And the rules are simple. Whoever gets it wrong, on the face.
Yeah. So let's get started.
So she's gonna start.
Yeah.
She's the elder one.
First question is very simple. I hope you'll get it right. So my
Let's
first question is, what is my go-to comfort food?
Oh dang it! I have the same thing.
Telepathy.
Chinese food.
Correct.
I know. Okay, what is my favorite color other than red and black?
I guess I'm gonna screw this up. Like big time. I know that her color, favorite color is red and black, but other than that, white pastel colors.
No, you know this. You know
Pastel
this.
colors.
No, you know this. You know this.
Lavender.
Okay, I have three favorite colors other than like red and black. So think again.
I'm screwed.
Okay, tick tick one, tick tick two, tick tick three.
I give up, Ray. It's okay.
Grey, brown, and purple.
I told lavender. It
No,
does
but-
come under purple category
No,
only.
but
It
still-
is correct.
Okay, for the other two ones, okay,
Oh, you told that I should tell only one.
okay, fine, whatever. Movie your turn. Damn, I was so happy.
So my second question is, what did I want to become when I grew up? Like when I was child, like my dream profession when I was, when I was a child.
Doctor.
Oh yeah, correct. She's good at it.
Yeah. Okay, same question. What did I want to become when I was a kid?
Chef,
No.
dancer. What? Seriously? She's just growing up with me.
No.
Yeah.
I spoke to you about this. You know this.
Yeah, you told me that you wanted to become a chef.
No. Archaeologist.
I never heard of it.
No, I did tell you. I told you that I spoke to Nana about it. No, that I was trying for the courses and stuff.
Okay, but you were never serious about it.
I was.
Don't make it a big one.
Oh shit! No, it's not coming on the screen. I don't know what it is. Okay.
Fine, whatever. See, my questions are much simpler.
We both have almost the same questions. Okay.
Okay, so the next question. So, what was I good at when I was in school?
Something related to sports, I guess. Running or basketball.
No, basketball. No way.
Ah.
Think. Yeah.
No, art.
No.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I can give art and sports, but I had like a specific answer.
Eating. I don't know.
Tada. Yoga.
Yeah.
Yoga.
She was really good at it.
I'm gonna draw.
I'm sweating, so.
I'm gonna draw it over here.
Awesome though.
Yeah. But.
Okay, so the next question is describe my perfect day. Like my perfect day, like I
She's
would love
asking
to
such
like that.
difficult questions.
It's
I
very
tell you.
easy, okay? It's very easy. I spoke to her like so many times about this.
Like
It's very easy.
date or a day?
Day, not day. Okay, I don't mind anything.
Netflix and chill.
Yeah, Jabba. You can't just say Netflix and chill. You gotta tell few stuff.
No, it's just like a one word answer, Ray. You
No,
shouldn't be
no,
asking
no.
like full detail wala thing.
No, perfect day, dude. It won't end with like only perfect. Netflix and chill, no.
Watching some nice movie and having some nice food.
No, we gotta be a bit specific.
Like
Like what food? Like what would I like
Chinese
to do?
food, okay.
And
So
like, it's
some
not like-
rom-com movie and with some Chinese food.
Yeah, we're like baking up plate and stuff. I'll do that. That's fine.
Okay. So the next question is that when we are together, how would I like to spend time together?
Even I had that question. What? What was the question? What was the question again?
So I was telling that when we are together, how do I like to spend time together? Like we have been doing that lately. Like that is like a biggest hint.
BTS, run episodes, run BTS episodes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. What is my favorite meal of the day?
When we
On trips and normally as well.
oh my god, that is two questions.
It's okay.
So during trips, it will be breakfast because you love that buffet.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Normal days, I would tell maybe probably dinner.
Ah, nice. Yeah.
Question is, I have applied to US universities, right? So how many universities did I apply? Number
5.
Oh my god.
And she
Yeah.
got it, like all the universities she got.
Yeah, but I didn't go to US.
Still she got it. Smart shit. So the next question is, if I get a chance to be part of some cartoon series, which one would it be? Like old time car.
Okay, the one which we used to
Yeah,
watch.
the old one, not the new one. This is very
Any
easy.
hint?
No, you'll get it, dude. It's very easy. Like we used to watch it after coming back from school.
Pokemon.
Yeah. Always Pokemon.
Yeah, I was about to tell Beyblade, but then
No, it was always Pokemon. Then Ben 10.
yeah. Okay, so the next question is: out of all the travel places that we or I went, which is my favorite destination?
Dubai.
Oh yeah.
Again. Ching, ching, ching. The next question. Okay, when I was on diet, there was this one specific food that I used to like crave for like a lot, other than biryani and Chinese. I'll give you even that hint. Is
Some,
this?
is this something related to sweet?
No, not sweet. Not ice cream and shit.
Yeah, because she loves ice creams.
It's not biryani. And
I'm sure
Chinese.
she's not a pizza and pasta craving girl also.
It's very easy. I gave you the hint. It's not.
Chole
biryani.
Bhatura. Chole Bhatura is your favorite dude.
So no.
So
No. It was chips. I was craving for chips.
did you draw a star?
I'm drawing a star because she's a star of my life.
So cringe moment.
Cringe.
So the next question. You know, right? I was in NCC during my school days. So in which standard did I go to the camp, NCC camp?
7th or 8th grade.
You should give one answer.
8th grade.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yes, I know her really well.
Yeah. Very good.
Because-
Whatever.
No, because we got you food, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so my next question is very easy. Which anime am I watching right now?
It starts with H.
Oh, not bad. Yeah.
Hunter something.
Oh, dang it! I thought you won't get it. Damn. Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
So the next question: what is that one thing that irritates me a lot?
A lot of things irritate her.
No, there is this one specific thing that you easily see me, getting all like irritated and frustrated.
When someone is lazy with their
No.
work.
That I'll show you only on you. She's not gonna get it. I know.
She don't actually don't know.
So the one thing that irritates me is that when something doesn't go according to the plan.
Ah, dang it. Yeah. Yeah. How did I? Oh, I know this.
Yeah. Come. Let me just do a cloud.
On my pimple, how?
I don't know whether it looks like cloud or not. But yeah.
Okay, so the next question is, what kind of superhero would I be? Like, would I want to be or else? Like invisible, flying, or like what? It's
So it's not invisible and it's not flying, that I understood, because she gave it them
You
as an
never know.
example.
You never know. Don't be so sure, right? They know. Nah. You never know.
Aqua.
No.
I think invisible.
Nah.
Flying shit.
Okay. You
Yeah.
are able to read minds.
Oh yeah, shit! I
mentioned it so
know
many times.
it. Yeah, so stupid.
Ayyo, వస్తలే.
ఇది దీంట్లో చెప్పాలి. That's working. Did you see my questions? Okay.
Show them.
My next question is, have I ever performed on a stage?
Yeah. Yoga.
I mean, you should tell her. Yeah.
Yoga.
Okay, I didn't even complete my question.
I know. I was there. That's why I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So my next question: who has or still has the biggest impact on my life, like a person?
Like in a good way?
Yeah. Good way, obviously. Yeah, it's actually true.
The next question is, what is that one place I would like us to go, like on a trip?
Any hill station.
I want a specific name.
Is it hill station? At least tell me that. I don't think it's hill station for some reason.
I mean, no, it's not.
New York.
New?
What?
I don't know whether to take that place as hill station or not. I'm just thinking it over again.
Korea.
No.
What?
Give up.
No. Wait.
Okay. It's Bhutan.
Oh, God, that was so dumb. I knew that. No, bro.
Robert like, bro. It didn't come.
No.
Yeah.
I can feel the liquid. It's so annoying. Okay, so back then, like during our childhood, what was my favorite computer game?
Road Rush.
Oh, that was easy. I knew it. That was easy. Dang it. 1, 2, 3. Da.
Da da da.
So that's it for today's video.
And you can see maybe it's a tie.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
3.
3.
What? Dang
Yeah.
it. Yeah. I thought I'd win.
So yeah, it's a tie. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do subscribe, like.
Yeah, did the pesa.
So if you like this video, please do like, comment.
Share, subscribe. And yeah, so
That's the end of it.
yeah.
See you
Bye-bye.
later. Bye.